Hello friends, this is Rahul Sasdev, student of M Pharm from Government College of Pharmacy, Karad. Today I am here to share my words on pharmacists and COVID-19 pandemic. Human body is like a computer which has been attacked by the virus who has got viral all over the world, commonly known as COVID-19. Role of pharmacist is like a software in the hardware of human body. Come let's see the reason for quoting them as a software which works as a health warrior in the battlefield to scan and help fix the bugs and restore the lives of humans. Medicines play a key role in day-to-day life of 21st century people, and as we know, pharmacists are the medicine experts. Similarly, in a situation like COVID-19 where no proper medication or vaccine is available, pharmacists has got a major task to tackle this novel coronavirus for developing a vaccine for the betterment of all. Now, why pharmacists? Pharmacists has the knowledge of drug design and development, and this knowledge has helped develop a number of drugs reported till date. Starting from drug development to molding it into a formulation is a challenging task where he has to juggle all the drug, formulation and patient related parameters together. In the pandemic, which has been declared as public health emergency of international concern by WHO and is spreading like fire all over the world, where again comes the pharmacist, where he has to play the role of community pharmacist, where he can spread awareness to fight and stay protected from getting affected by COVID-19. Washing and frequently covering mouth while sneezing and coughing using masks are the known preventive and palliative measures to everyone, but pharmacists can well explain the reasons and importance to follow these guidelines given by Government of India, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare and WHO. Next, the pharmacist can help to stop the spread of fake news and self-medication treatment methods which are spreading on social media all over the world. Next, the role of a pharmacist is in the hospital pharmacy, where he has to monitor the drug therapy of the patient while considering all the ADRs and toxicity during medication review. Importance and proper use of PPE, wise use of medication is what a hospital pharmacist can help with for hospital staff and healthcare workers. Next, the role of a pharmacist is in the retail pharmacy while dispensing medication, where he can use digital means to keep himself safe from COVID-19. Beware, our pharmacist has to shield himself while the war he is fighting for, because he will come in contact with this COVID-19 virus in the drug development laboratory during patient counseling, while monitoring drug therapy, or in the hospital while dispensing prescriptions. So, we all together with the help of pharmacists and healthcare workers can stop the spread and fight back COVID-19. Stay safe, stay indoors and help break the chain. Thank you.